Hey guys, this is my house, and in between of this container and my house, I finally decided to buy an above ground pool for our backyard. After checking the prices, I realized that the difference of the money from a small or medium to the big pool is not so much, and in my craziness I said I'll buy a big one. So I decided to order 32 feet by 15 feet by 52 inch. I know the pool will come with a pump, but I don't know yet if it's a salt or chlorine pump. Why I decided to buy a pool? Because I live in South Carolina, and as a lot of you know, summers are hot. Oh, moo. We don't have any place closer than 40 minutes to the house to go to a gym or a pool or workout. So after I come home from work, I decided that we need a pool here, here, here. Now I have to decide it, how to put it and where exactly to put it. I understand I need to level the ground and use some sand, and I plan to do it next week. Somehow I have few days off, but if you have some good information that I need to know before my pool arrives, please let me know. So my plan is to put the pool here and build a deck around the pool. It will be connected to the house. That window will become a connection to the house. It will be a French door or sliding door. What do you think is better, French door or sliding door? Which one is better for a pool or for a exit house? Okay, I'm gonna try to design the project on the pool and deck, and I'll wait for your ideas, suggestions, and warnings. This is the beginning of our pool project, and I want to share the entire journey with you. And if you would like to be informed on time about my project, please subscribe and hit the bell button, and I'll be so encouraged by you to do that. And maybe sometimes I'm gonna share with you how this house was bought and how I changed all the windows and I transformed the house. I didn't finish the windows and exterior because I don't have don't have the ladder so big to go at the next level, and I thought it's not so emergency outside how it was inside to finish. Here I didn't finish on the window because I knew soon we're gonna be a deck. I didn't thought of the pool, so it's not done. It's kind of a little bit damaged, but I'll fix it when it will be fixed when we'll cut to the wall to do the porch, the exit to the porch. Okay, see you soon. Bye.